What if I told you there's an industry that is changing the way we see healthcare, that is changing agriculture and even the climate, and that this industry still needs real humans to thrive? Welcome to biotechnology. I've talked about biotech in a number of videos, but I'm going to tell you guys again why this industry is one that you should be looking at. So what is biotechnology? It's just a word coined from biology and technology to give you biotech. But what is this industry really about? This is a broad industry. It is vast. It has so many things. So when you're thinking of your day-to-day life, you probably have biotech in there. So you're talking about healthcare. When you talk about healthcare, you're talking about medicine, talking about your vaccines, drug development, drug testing, and diagnostics, and all that falls under biotech. When you talk about agriculture, you're talking about drought-resistant crops or different techniques that scientists are using to improve food production. Now there's environment. So many techniques are being used by scientists to clean up polluted water, capture carbons, and so many other things. So when you see or when you hear about these different things in our day-to-day lives, giving us better quality of life, you're talking biotech. So one way or the other, biotechnology is in our everyday lives. And this industry, like I mentioned, is so vast that there are different aspects that you can consider. One of the things I wanted to mention in this video is how fast this industry is growing. It's currently in 2025 known to be a $1.5 trillion industry, and this is expected to grow to $3 trillion by 2030. So in the next 5 years, that is to show you the growth rate of this industry. There's so many things happening. Countries are investing largely into this industry. So Germany, China, the US, and so many other countries are taking biotech seriously, which also tells us why this industry is fast growing. Why are you taking forever to decide if you want to consider this industry? Take your time by all means, but do not forget that there are some things that you need to consider when you're looking to pivot into another industry, and this industry has it. So if you're looking for impact, you have biotech giving you impactful developments, right? So if you're looking for jobs that are kind of AI proof, now whilst this industry is one that is being helped by AI because they are faster DNA testing, they are faster drug developments because of AI, it still uses humans, it still needs human interactions. This industry is not completely wiping out the human touch. Humans are still used for this more than most other industries. So if your consideration is, will I be relevant in the coming years, this is an industry you should consider. I've told you how this industry is fast growing, and I've also mentioned to you the various aspects of this industry. I have a video that talks about various aspects of biotech, as well as what they do and the color that they represent. If you have not seen that, you can check that out on the channel. You do not need a medical degree to get into all the roles in this industry. There are some roles that you can use your transferable skills from the industry that you currently are in or that you were and still excel in this industry. AI is being used in this industry to make things better, to make things faster, but it's not completely wiping off or eradicating the human touch. When you think of job roles or industries that are AI proof, there's something common about these jobs. There are jobs that require human intuition, human creativity, human interaction, and biotech is one of those industries, so definitely consider this industry. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.